Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Okay, now let's quickly look at the tags. Okay, so here the beauty of the JUnit 5 is that we can put the tags on top of each and every test cases. So this is the first test case and I have added two tags here. Why we are adding tags is that in the future you can run test cases based on your tag. Okay, so let's say you have some tags like sanity, regression, integration, API, web, or anything like that. So we have the power that we can control which test case we want to run. Yeah. So on this test, I have added two tags, and here you need to give parameter as a test info. Okay, and here I have just printed dev QA cases because there are two tags, dev and QA. In the second test, this is a prod tag, and I have printed here prod only cases. And in the third test cases, I have added dev tag and dev only test cases. And this is only QA, so that's why I have printed QA only cases. Okay, so accordingly, we will now see how we can run as per the tag. Okay, so this is the class. Now go to the pom.xml and you need to add this particular plugin. Maven Surefire plugin we are going to use to run, and here in the configuration we are adding which tags we want to run. So here I have added dev and QA, both tag need to be run. I have excluded prod, okay, because I don't want to run the production test cases in test environment. Okay, so you can change according to your needs. Okay, now let's open your command prompt, go to the folder where go to the project folder, and here we need to write maven-d test, your class name space test. Okay, so I will give you this command, and if you run this, so let's see. So see here you can see only dev QA cases, so the first test cases which have both the tags dev and QA. This test case has been run. Dev only cases and QA only cases, right? So three test cases has been run out of total four test cases. Now let me run only dev cases. Okay, I have changed here. I will again go back to the git bash and I will again execute the same command. Now I am running only the tags where dev is written. So now dev QA cases, the first one because dev is there. Okay, that's why, and second is dev. So only two test cases has been run. If you similarly, if you let's say give QA here, so only the QA related. So again, the two test cases will run, the dev QA cases, the first one and the third one. We'll see here. See, dev QA cases because QA tag is there, and the QA cases only. So simple, very simple. So we have seen that, and I will give you this is the command which I'm talking about, Maven space hyphen d test. Give the class name here and space test. So just targeting this particular, if we will not give this particular class and directly run Maven test, then all the tags will run from all over the classes. But right now I have added tag only in one class, that's why I'm giving only a particular class here, right? So I hope this particular topic is you are able to understand properly, and next we will see the disabled and the timeout. Yeah, thanks for watching this particular session. Let's meet in the next chapter. Bye bye.